Now here is the ultimate tool, Magic Keys, making the use of AI up to 10 times faster and far more enjoyable. This is where you manage your snippets and save yourself up to 25 hours a month from repetitive type. It's the most efficient way of using any LLM. Let's dive right into Magic Keys. Now, to open Magic Key, you can use this command here. In my case, I have Option M. I'm already logged in. These are 2 prompts that I discovered on snackprompt.com, automatically saved into my Magic Key. I'm gonna assign a hotkey to this prompt, Coffee Shop Menu Creator. All right, so I'm gonna set my command as Option U. Hit enter, now it's saved. Now I'm right here in ChatGPT. I'm gonna make sure that my cursor is not selected in this text area. I'm gonna hit Option U, and just like that, a prompt that I use every single day pops up. I can type in my variable here. In this case, I'm gonna type in winter. It filled in, as you can see here, it filled in that variable. I hit enter, and now it's creating me a winter menu for my coffee shop. I didn't have to store it in a document or a Notion workspace. It's right here overlaid on top of ChatGPT. It also works with Bard and just about every other LLM. Now, that's just the basic use of Magic Key. It gets even better. Now, if I'm just using ChatGPT and I create an input right here on the spot, and I absolutely love the output that ChatGPT gives me, and I think to myself, you know what? I want to use this prompt over and over again. I can save this input in seconds directly inside my Magic plugin. I can do it one of 2 ways. I can click Save Prompt, and just like that, hey, create a viral Twitter post for my coffee shop focused on recent events. I'm gonna give it a topic. In this case, I'm gonna select marketing, and I'm going to hit Saved. Just like that, I was able to turn an input into a prompt in seconds. Or I can use the command Option S. By hitting this command, I can save my most recent input into a prompt, just like that. Now, when I create a prompt or when I save a prompt, it automatically sets a command for me. I can change that command or I can just leave it. Hey, create a viral post for my coffee shop. It set a command for Option +1. If I want to use it, I click Option 1, and just like that, it opens up in my screen. Now you know how to turn an input into a prompt. You know how to open up Magic Keys by using this command or by clicking this button. You know various ways to create a prompt. You can also create it by simply going on here, create new prompt. You type your prompt, hey, encourage me today. Hey, encourage me today and tell me a funny joke about, and I'm gonna put a hashtag to create a tag or a placeholder. And here I'm going to put joke topic. And when I do that, I make this prompt dynamic. It now has a tag or a placeholder, which means every time that I use this prompt, I get to decide the topic of my joke. I'm gonna save it to potentially, let's just save it to gaming. We're gonna hit save, and it's saved. Now, something really awesome is that these prompts are saved directly to your Snack Prompt platform as well. I can go to option and I can see the prompt on Snack Prompt. If I want to turn this into a premium prompt, I can simply go to edit. I can move it from private to public, and I can add a description, add a title. I can add an avatar and a banner directly on here. And everything that I do on snackprompt.com or on Magic directly reflects in real time inside both platforms. Again, every prompt that you create inside of Magic, it's saved privately to your profile, so no one else can see it but you. Now the topics here on the save section, it's only topics that has prompts that you've already saved. Now these topics here allows you to find prompts a little bit faster. If you want to find business prompts, all of your business prompts are here. Or if you want to find marketing prompts, all of your marketing prompts are here. In the same way, if you want to discover new prompts, you can either do so on snackprompt.com or you can visit the discover section on Magic Keys. As you can see here, these prompts are laid out in the order of most upvoted prompts down to the least upvoted prompts. One-click personal trainer. This is the most upvoted prompt on Snack Prompt. With this particular prompt, it's a premium prompt, so I can buy it directly on here. Let's say I wanted to buy it for $1. I can simply hit buy now, and it gives me the ability to buy the prompt right there on the spot. Now, if it's a free prompt like this one, create a personalized workout routine. Let's see if this is what I'm looking for. Tailor workout routines specifically designed for individual fitness goals. Here's the prompt. and it has a few tags. My name, my fitness goals, my workout style, muscle group 1, 2, and 3, list of available equipment, and other requirements for the prompt. I like this prompt. I want to use it. So I'm going to save it. Now the prompt is saved, and it's no longer just sitting on the discovery section. It is now on my save section. I can find the prompt right over here, and a command was automatically added to it. Now my favorite thing about Magic is snippets. Snippets is the ultimate superpower. We can go to the snippet section right over here. As you can see, I have no snippets. So let's create a folder, and the folder will be called Client 1. So this is everything about my client. I'm gonna create a snippet called Audience, Client 1 Audience. I'm gonna give it a command, C for Client 1 Audience. Boom, Client 1 Audience. And then I'm gonna describe the audience of my client. This is incredibly useful for people that manage lots of different pieces of data, and you want to store that data somewhere. So in this case, what is their audience? Their audience is the audience of this coffee shop is young people between the ages of 18 and 30 that loves specialty coffee and lives close to downtown Fort Worth. This is everything that I want for ChatGPT to know about my audience. Anytime that I need to feed ChatGPT this information, I can do so by using this command. Now I'm gonna drag this snippet to Client 1 and keep it right over here, right? I also wanna create a snippet that defines the name of the client. So I'm gonna type in here, C1 name, Sun's Coffee. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna add it right here. And as you know, most businesses, they have services. So let's define Client 1 services. Client 1 services. Specialty coffee, empanadas, and roasted coffee. I'm gonna bring it here to this section, and I'm gonna close Magic. Now I'm gonna show you the different ways in which you can access those snippets, and it's pretty powerful. You can access it with a command. So in this case, /C-1-name. Boom, Sun's Coffee. I no longer have to type that. Sun's Coffee is my client. I want to create a blog post that invites their audiences to come try their new winter menu. Here's some information on the audience. Then I'm gonna type in C1-audience. Boom. And it typed in their audience for them. I sent it to ChatGPT, and just like that, it saved me an incredible amount of time having to retrieve information or remember information. It's all connected to a simple command. Now, if I want to combine a prompt and a snippet, it's even easier. Now we're gonna combine prompts and snippets. Let's do that with this prompt that we made. Coffee shop menu creator. This prompt has a few variables or tags. One of them being season of the year. In this case, let's say winter. But the audience, what is the audience of the coffee shop? In this case, we already determined that on our snippets. So we're gonna go /, we're gonna click C1 audience, and boom, our snippet loaded directly inside of our tag. The audience of this coffee shop's young people between the ages of 18 and 30 that love specialty coffee and lives close to downtown Fort Worth. It saved me from having to type or locate this information. Now, the name of the coffee shop, boom, let's just do /C1 name. Just like that, Sun's Coffee was loaded directly into the prompt. I hit enter, and in less than 10 seconds, I was able to find a prompt, load the prompt with pre-created text saved within my snippets, and increase the speed in which I use ChatGPT, improving my workflow and turning me into a true AI power user. Now we understand